What's up YouTube? Welcome to my first vlog. I've just landed in Thailand, in Bangkok. I've been travelling for 30 hours. I'm tired as hell. I went through Beijing and then through Manila, and then now I'm here and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't really have much time here. I'm only here for 2 nights, so I've got to make the most of it while I still can. However, I really just want to go get some sleep. The hotel's really nice. Nice waterfall feature behind me. I don't know if you can see that. The gym is shown here. It's pretty awesome. And then we've got the pool as well. Always like a good pool to chill out on. So I was going to explore. I'm not going to. I need some sleep. So I'm going to go and sleep for about an hour. Then I'm going to go out and hopefully explore the city and see what there is to offer. Eat some delicious food, because being on an airplane for 30 hours means you eat 5 meals of airplane food in one day. Hello? Bangkok's beautiful right now. My version of is my version of fucking hot. So I'm sweating in no time, I'm sure you can see. If I was into jogging, I'd probably go for a jog in the morning. Now, yeah. See if glassware tomorrow. I'll have enough time to check out and see what good things there were to do and stuff like that. So obviously the most famous place for Westerners to go to is Koh San Road. So I'm going to go to Koh San Road, eat some bad man street food. Yeah, it's pretty much what I expected actually. It's not as busy as I thought it would be. I thought it would be mega crazy, but it's only 7:30 at night, so it's going to get crazy. Just had some pad thai, this place over here, this food. It was super delicious. The noodles out here are super chewy, whilst in here is some grilled meat stuff, and that's what I'm going for next. Hey, how you doing? So yeah, I just bought some delicious sausage for this lady here. Hello. So, that sausage was delicious. Talking about sausage like that before, basically what they do is they ferment it. So they get the sausage, they hang it up, weird sour taste. It's kind of like, imagine like kimchi. It's a similar sort of funkiness to that. Anyway, I'm still hungry, so I've left Koh San Road and I decided to jump into the heart of Chinatown, because everyone knows if you want some good food, you come to Chinatown. Oh yeah, It's now 8 o'clock, and right across from the hotel is this place, Park. This place is super zen. See old ladies with swords, old ladies like playing hacky sack. Now, old ladies with their fans. The sound that comes out is amazing. Yeah, I could probably spend all day here. Beautiful. Hey guys, masterclass just done. Menace Dude here. This is Spooky. Say hello, Spooky.
Hi, Spooky.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Spooky's a bartender living in Thailand at the moment. He's been living here for a while, but he used to bartend in London. Known a load of the same people. He was saying, yo, you got to check out this guy. He does grilled pork. And yeah, so this guy gets it delivered all around Bangkok because it's so delicious. I've gone for the chicken hearts. And some regular chicken. What is this one again? Kidney. So, okay, we'll see a couple of places. Alright, awesome.
Really worth it.
So Spooks is giving me a little tour of the supermarket. They've got loads of different fruits. Apparently this is called a plango. So it looks like a plum, tastes like a mango. Natural ube. For those that don't know, ube is like a sweet potato, but usually in the Philippines we use it for like flavouring like cakes and stuff like that. Another thing is tamarind. So tamarind is super popular in the Philippines. We make a soup of it called sinigang, and then over here dishes. Mainly they just use it if you're constipated.
Oh yeah,
is that it? Yeah.
People think of it as a laxative.
Yeah, it's a laxative. So
if you put a cocktail on the menu with tamarind over here, only foreigners or farang are going to drink it.
Yeah.
But over here, it's really like it really works well with mezcal.
Yeah.
And smoky, anything like smoky, smoky flavored, any spirits, smoky flavor.
Nice.
Really works. Nice combination.
Cool. We're at the masterclass. We've come to this bar called Bunker Bar. I'm here with Oil. Say hello, Oil.
Hi, I'm Oil. Yeah.
And what would you say are the top 5 best bars in Bangkok?
Top 5 best bar in Bangkok. The first one I recommend Rabbit Hole.
Rabbit Hole, okay.
Yeah, they just got the best cocktail bar in this year from Bar Award. And the second one is called Teen of Thailand. Yeah. Yeah, and another one is Asia Today. Basically, Teen of Thailand and Asia Today is very close by. Cool. The same owner. It's awesome. Very nice.
And this place? Obviously, this place as well.
Yeah. Okay. We are not the best, but we are one of the good choice if you come to Bangkok.
Cool.
Yeah.
And what's your favorite cocktail?
Negroni double gin.
Negroni double gin. Awesome. Okay, high five.
High
five for that Negroni double gin. Say your name, Kaz.
Patrizio Cavalieri.
Yeah,
Rocco Universal is the production name, yeah.
Awesome. So, why are you living in Thailand, man? What's good?
It's good living, mate. It's good living. It's cheap, it's friendly, it's crazy, and there's opportunity here, man. Yeah. It's just the quality of life here is good, man.
Yeah. Awesome. So, what's the thing you like the best about Thailand?
The kookiness of the Thai people, I think. I don't know, every day I walk down the street and I see something that cracks me up, and almost every day, and and also they have the attitude in Thailand is sabai, which means like easy going, and Thai people, they want to have a good time, they want life to be kind of stress free, and that's very attractive to someone like me.
I kind of wish I'd gone to see like more cultural stuff, like I didn't see any temples, I didn't see a reclining Buddha, stuff like that. But again, you know, anytime I go to a place, it's usually only for like 48 hours, like this time, so I don't really get to see that much. So although I am really gutted to leave, it makes it all the more better to be on a day like this. So I don't know if you can see, but it is pissing it down with rain.